Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the UEFA TV app. So if you have a Fire TV, this is for you. I'll show you how to download UEFA TV on your Fire TV. So stick to the tutorial to the end and let's get it. So under Find, just go to Search and you should find this keyboard right here. Use the keyboard to search for the app of choice. So in this tutorial, I'll be looking at UEFA TV. So UEFA. As you type it, just look at the descriptions below, the suggestions rather. So hit on UEFA TV with the OK and click on the app. That brings you right here to the download page where you can click on the download button and it begins to download automatically. Very clean, very smooth, so easy. Now just be patient. After downloading, this app is going to install automatically. So you see the download process has just begun. After some time, you see the installation process start, and that will be automatic. Immediately it is installed, you have it available in your app library. You could also choose to click on the screen where you find the open app button. Immediately after download, and that will open the app immediately. So if you had value from this tutorial, if you found it educative, informative, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.